Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check air pollution locations in Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Google Maps and you see this diamond icon in the top right. You just need to tap on that. Then you should see air quality near the bottom, so just click on that. And as you can see, it'll bring up different areas of good to really poor air quality. So if you click on certain areas such as the yellow bit, it'll just say it's moderate, so you can enjoy your usual outdoor activities. So obviously it'll give you more information on that. And then if you click on places that are like purple or red, it'll let you know this is very high. So reduce physical exertion, particularly outdoors, especially if you experience symptoms such as cough or sore throat. So that's how you can check air pollution locations on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.